5 steps to make a better reinforcement plan. Step 1. Initial data review. It's crucial to thoroughly review the initial data before starting any project. This ensures clarity and completeness, setting the stage for a smooth beginning. Step 2. Consultation with engineers. Discuss any query with engineer to clarify design requirements, such as reinforcement methods and placement of elements. This preemptive communication prevents misunderstanding and saves time on revisions later. Step 3. Conflict resolution. Identify and resolve conflict among structural elements early on. From communication with engineers, help anticipate and address potential issues, streamlining the drafting process. Step 4. Activity planning. Prioritize and segment the reinforcement plan for efficient execution. A systematic approach, including interim checks, prevents errors from snowballing, especially in complex plans. Step 5. Final verification. Engage a second person for a fresh perspective during the final review of the reinforcement plan. This external check ensures thoroughness, adherence to instruction, and overall accuracy.